Have you ever wondered what lurks in the deepest, darkest parts of our oceans? Down where sunlight never reaches, a world of incredible creatures thrives against all odds. Today, we re-dive in deep into the abyss to uncover the secrets of how these animals survive in such an extreme environment. Forget everything you know about life on the surface, because where we're going, the rules are completely different. Imagine a world of crushing pressure thousands of times greater than what we experience on land. It's a pressure so intense it would instantly flatten a car. Yet life persists. Creatures like the Mariana snailfish have evolved soft, gelatinous bodies almost entirely without bone, allowing them to equalize the pressure inside and out. They are, in essence, one with the immense force surrounding them. Instead of fighting the pressure, they've adapted to become part of it. This isn't just about survival, it's about mastery. Their cells contain special molecules called piezolytes, which prevent their proteins from being crushed, allowing their bodies to function perfectly in a place we can only visit with the most robust submersibles. But how do you find food, a mate, or even avoid becoming a meal in total, absolute darkness? The answer is as brilliant as it is beautiful. They make their own light. This phenomenon, called bioluminescence, is the language of the deep sea. It's a chemical reaction within an organism's body that produces light, and it's used in a dazzling array of ways. The anglerfish, for example, dangles a glowing lure in front of its terrifying jaws, attracting curious, smaller fish to their doom. It's a hypnotic trap in the endless night. Other creatures use light for defense. The vampire squid, when threatened, doesn't release ink like its shallow water relatives. Instead, it ejects a cloud of glowing, sticky mucus. This sparkling cloud confuses the predator, giving the squid precious seconds to escape into the darkness. It's a light show with a life-or-death purpose. Bioluminescence is also crucial for communication. Different species flash their lights in unique patterns, like a secret Morse code of the deep. These signals can be used to attract a mate in the vast, empty expanse of the abyss. For a fish, finding a partner might be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So being able to send a clear, bright signal is essential for the continuation of the species. It's a silent, luminous conversation happening miles below our feet. Now, let's talk about size. You might expect creatures in such a harsh, nutrient-scarce environment to be small, but the deep sea is home to giants. Think of the giant squid or the Japanese spider crab. This phenomenon, known as deep-sea gigantism, has puzzled scientists for years. One leading theory connects it to the extreme cold. The icy temperatures of the deep ocean slow down metabolic rates. This means creatures use less energy, grow more slowly, and, as a result, live for a very, very long time. This idea is linked to a biological principle known as Bergmann's rule, which suggests that in colder climates, animals tend to be larger. A larger body has a lower surface area to volume ratio, which means it loses heat more slowly. While the water is consistently cold, conserving every bit of internal heat and energy is a winning strategy. So, in the deep sea, being big isn't just impressive, it's an efficient way to manage energy in a cold, dark world. The cold also plays a fascinating role in their life cycle. A slower metabolism means a slower life. Deep-sea creatures often take a very long time to reach sexual maturity. The Greenland shark, for instance, is one of the longest-living vertebrates on Earth, with a lifespan that can exceed 400 years. It's believed they don't even reach sexual maturity until they are about 150 years old. This incredibly long lifespan is a remarkable adaptation. Living for centuries gives these animals more opportunities to reproduce. In an environment where food is scarce and finding a mate is a challenge, having a long reproductive window is a huge advantage. They aren't in a rush. They can wait for the right conditions for a rare, large meal to provide the energy needed for reproduction, or for a chance encounter with a mate in the dark. This strategy of delayed maturity and long life allows their populations to remain stable over long periods. It's a slow and steady approach to life that contrasts sharply with the fast-paced life cycles we see in many surface animals. While a mayfly lives for a day, a deep-sea clam can live for centuries, silently filtering nutrients from the ocean floor. These long-lived species are like living time capsules, and they're slow. Deliberate reproductive strategy is a testament to the power of patience in evolution. By taking decades or even centuries to mature, they can ensure that when they do reproduce, they are in peak condition, maximizing the chances of their offspring surviving in this challenging world. This delayed approach also helps to avoid overwhelming the scarce resources of the deep-sea ecosystem, fostering a delicate balance. So, from the crushing pressure to the eternal darkness, the deep sea is a realm of extremes. But it's not a wasteland. It's a world filled with ingenious solutions and breathtaking adaptations. Life has found a way not just to survive, but to thrive. Bioluminescent lights that pierce the dark, gelatinous bodies that embrace the pressure, and incredibly long lives that defy our very concept of time. The creatures of the deep are a profound reminder that life is resilient, creative, and can flourish in the most unlikely of places. They have turned what we see as a world of darkness into a world of light. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the abyss. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let me know in the comments which deep-sea creature you find the most amazing. See you in the next video.